Freda, what do we got?
So he has a jury trial set for May the 23rd. He submitted a motion for continuance.
Okay, why do we need a continuance?
Because work-related.
Send out the notices to the jurors?
For that day, yes. He's not the only defendant for that day.
Okay, go ahead. I mean, didn't you know this when you signed for the date?
So
the trial?
After the date, I got they sent me the email, but I never got an email. So I called the court, and the day that after calling her, she sent me the email again, and I signed it like right there, and I sent it back.
What's the offense? What's the offense?
Speedy.
93 on a 70.
Is there an accident?
No.
How old are you, sir?
I'm 40.
I'm going to deny your continuance, and you signed for that court date, and I've got these people coming. I'm not going to reset this. If you want it deferred, does he have a CDL?
No, he doesn't.
All right, I'll give you a deferred. It'll be $200 fine, plus you have to take the driver's safety course if you want, and that'll get it dismissed. Do you want to do that?
No, I would like trial. So.
All right, just come to trial. We'll see you on that day.
Is there an appeal process that I could go through?
What? For appealing my motion for continuance?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
No.
Is there like, because I didn't get the same day that I got the email that I signed it, like the next day or so I filed that continuance. It wasn't like a week later from the day I got it.
I've got people notified to be here. You wanted a jury trial. We're going to give you the jury trial. The only other alternative I can offer you is either be here on that date, or you're going to get a warrant, or two, you can waive your right to a jury trial and have a trial before the court, which would be before me. And you may not want to do that. That's up to you. Or you can take the deferred that I offered you to get it off your record.
So you're denying it because you're saying you already sent the request for a jury.
I'm done. Which part of no don't you understand? I've denied it. We're done. Let's move on to one of those three options. Either be here for the trial, or waive your right to a jury trial and have a trial before the court. You can do that from on Zoom, or take the deferred that I offered you.
Does the date get reset for a jury by judge? What's that like? How's that going to be affected?
We'll do it. I'll do it that day.
So,
what's the next court date?
For bench trials?
Yeah.
It is for July 11th.
Too long. Do we have anything else in May?
We have 2 next week.
Wait, what day next week?
On the 9th.
Just put him on that day if you can get with Dana. Do you want to do it on the 9th, sir?
Why are you rushing it? What's so important that you're rushing it, sir?
I want to get the case over with.
Well, I need time to prepare because I've mentioned in my motion for continuance that I am preparing a subpoena. I need some more information, and you're like rushing it. First was May 23, 24. The lady just said that there was one in July. You're pushing it up to next week, like you pressure me to go through with this.
I'm not trying to pressure you to do anything. I'm trying to give you a speedy trial.
I never requested one, sir. I never requested.
Here's your choices then, sir. Fine. July. You want to do it on July the 11th? Do we have room on July the 11th?
Yes, we do.
All right, do it on July 11th, but he needs to sign his waiver of jury trial. Otherwise, and you're telling me that you want to waive your right to a jury, have the hearing on July the 11th, the trial on July the 11th. You can appear by Zoom. You'll have to appear by Zoom on July the 11th. And you're going to take your case off the docket for this upcoming trial date, and some of those jurors will not appear. So, just so we know, once we get your signature on the new court date, waiving your right to a jury trial, then I'll relieve you of your obligation to be here on the other court date, the jury trial date. Okay? Is that a yes, sir?
Yeah, yes, that's if I have no
Okay,
choice.
fine. All right. Anything else, Fred? Do you have everything you need from him?
Yes.
Okay. And I'm going to need to get, we're going to need to get Dana to sign off on the waiver of jury trial. Prosecutor's got to agree.
Okay.
She may want a jury trial. I don't know. But I don't anticipate it. That's why I'm going to go ahead and say for July the 11th. Okay. Anything else, Frida?
No, Judge, that's it.
All right. Anything else, sir?
So if the DA or the person you just said is going to deny the jury trial, is that
She has
going
a right to object to the waiver of the jury trial. Once you've elected a jury trial, she has the right to object to the waiver of it. I don't anticipate that, but in fact, I think a 99% chance she won't object to it, but lightning happens. So I'm just telling you that you will be hearing from us if, after you sign this, if she objects to that, we will be back in touch with you.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.